What is going on, everyone? I hope you're having a pretty good weekend. It is sunny here in Southern California with nice warm Cali weather for this weekend. In this video, we're going over weekly report number 3 on my Roth IRA account. This week has been pretty interesting with the coronavirus that has been getting more and more attention and focus. Now, obviously, this has been affecting the US stock market a little bit for now, but based on the previous outbreak and its effect on global stock market, performance has not been that threatening as I expected. Looking at this chart, we can see that we have some serious number of outbreak past 20 years, and judging by the time the outbreak happened and the global stock market performance, it seemed the outbreak had no long-term effect at all. The SARS from 2003 happened at the end of the dot-com collapse, and swine flu or H1N1 from 2009 also happened at the end of the US house market bubble burst recession. And Ebola from 2018 in October happened before the mini crash in winter of 2018. So looking at these and thoroughly judging from this chart, I have a doubt that coronavirus will impact the global stock market. Of course, this is only if the World Health Organization can contain and rid of this virus as soon as possible. Alright, before we go over the report, I do want to mention that this month is where S&P 500 company are reporting their fourth quarter report from 2019. And for this week, these companies have reported their number. From top of my head, I believe one of the big winners are Netflix and Intel. I heard that Intel stock soared 7% after their report was submitted. So congrats to those who invested in Intel. Now on with this week report. Monday was Martin Luther King's Day here in United States, so US stock market was closed. But that didn't mean that there were no news. On Monday, International Monetary Fund predicted the world economy will strengthen in 2020. Global growth will accelerate this year to 3.3% from 2.9% in 2019. On Tuesday, my portfolio closed at $52,126, down from $52,320 on Friday, loss of $194. On this day, President Trump talks about putting pressure on trade tariffs in European countries less than a week after signing the Phase 1 trade tariff with China. Tuesday is also when coronavirus is starting to get more attention. On Wednesday, my portfolio closed at $51,999, second down in a row with a loss of $127. This day is when Tesla share soared 7.7%, passing its market cap of $100 billion for the first time ever in company history. So big congratulations to Tesla shareholders. Tesla has been gaining rapid growth in just a very few months. Also, President Trump impeachment start on Wednesday. On Thursday, we recovered a little bit, gaining $261, resulting in $52,026. By this day, the coronavirus has killed 17 people and infected 600 people. 70% of the 74 companies from S&P 500 report better than expected. On Friday, coronavirus has severely affected the US stock market with the second case of coronavirus confirmed in US. Central for Disease Control told lawmakers that CDC is about to confirm third case of coronavirus in US. Majority of the airline company is taking a bigger hit due to the virus. Friday closing, my portfolio landed on $51,596, a loss of $664. I'm afraid this is probably gonna get a little worse before it gets better, but like I mentioned before in the video, outbreak hasn't really pushed the global market to stock market crash, so I'm still very optimistic in stock market. So starting Monday with the $52,320, we are down to $51,596, a loss of $724 in 1 week. On the upside, I am still in the plus in January, so there's that to be happy about. One more week until end of the month result, and I'm pretty excited to see how that goes for the first month of 2020. Well, that's gonna do it for this week report. Thank you for checking out this video, and I hope it was entertaining for you to watch with some news that happened throughout this week. If you want to watch more video like this, hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell so you know when the video goes on live. Super smashing the like button is always appreciated, and like always, invest wisely.